Hello friends, since it is Sunday today, so we are going to Shaipura for darshan of Acharya Shri Vidyasagar Ji Maharaj. And Shaipura is almost 40 kilometers away from Jabalpur on Bhopal road. And we are going to see some new temples which has recently built over there. And Acharya Shri is there, so there will be very big crowd today. And let's see what happens there. Is only 3 kilometers away from here. You can see the view around here is very awesome and the weather is also very cool. And we are enjoying the journey with our family. So this is the first temple just at the starting point of Shaipura. It is also a very big temple. Now we have reached Shaipura.
नमोस्तु महाराज। विधि मिली हुई है, पक्की बात है, विधि मिली हुई है महाराज जी को। नमोस्तु महाराज जी, नमोस्तु नमोस्तु नमोस्तु।
So finally we have reached the house where Acharya Shri Vidyasagar Ji Maharaj is having today's ahar. This is the house of a very famous person of Shaipura, and Acharya Shri is having ahar here and people are waiting for his darshan. Let's see when he comes out.
जय जय गुरुदेव।
महाराज
अरे आज भैया तो और सामने आ गए। जय गुरुदेव। नमोस्तु महाराज जी, नमोस्तु नमोस्तु
This is a new temple of Shaipura which has been recently built. After some time we will enter this temple. At present very much crowd is here and Acharya Shri is coming out, as you can see.
बनाने दो।
Maharaj Shri Yog Sagar Ji Maharaj Ji is coming here. Beautifully designed temple. My daughter is coming out. चलो मानू, मम्मी बुला रही। Temple is so beautiful that no one can stop himself for taking a snap. This is the place inside the temple where Acharya Shri Vidyasagar Ji Maharaj sits. Temple has been built so beautiful. I think it is the most beautiful temple in the city. Here a Mataji is having her ahar. You can see how she is taking ahar. Now we are moving to another beautiful place on the way. It is Tripur Sundari. The scenery of this place is very amazing and attractive. Beautiful jungle both sides the road attract the people very much. जमीन में लगता है ना बेटा, तुमको दिया जाओ। आगो दिया जी चलो
चल
नहीं ठीक है
जय माता की जय माता की जय माता की सारे बोलो जय माता की जोर से बोलो जय माता की
जय हो जय हो
सारे बोलो जय माता की जय माता की जय माता की बोलो बाबू अब मारेंगे सब बोलो
हाँ बोलो
जय माता की
This is the backside area of Tripur Sundari temple where people come and fasten a religious thread on the grills and walls and believe that it will fulfill their all wishes.